Okay, here are ladies today. They're here for the Unity Ride as well. Can you tell us, girls, what are you here for?
Hi, good morning. We're here today for the Thunderbags event. We are here for the registration and distribution of shirts.
All right. Well, do we need pretty ladies to distribute the shirts, or it just get to be big? Mr. Cheeto Abbas, the man in charge for this year's Unity Ride. What can you say so far, sir, of how it's going on here at the Unity Ride?
Well, first of all, Alain, good morning, and hello to all your viewers. First of all, I think this is the first time that we are very prepared for this Masskara ride. Because as early as 5 days ago, we have already closed our registration with 809 delegates. Yeah. And we're just now waiting for them to claim their t-shirts and meal tickets. And we will be going for a short ride to Bago for lunch.
Wow. So we're not open to registration anymore. We've been pre-booked. Even the party tonight, they can't, no more. It's closed out.
So I would just like to give notice to all our future delegates that next year, please register early.
Yes. So you know, it's a very sought after Unity Ride every year. So we are advising everyone to pre-register as early as we open it.
And for the first time also, we are going to raffle off a brand new bike.
Wow.
Tonight.
Tonight.
You have to be present to claim your prize.
All right. Congratulations, sir. Very good job.
Thank you, Alain.
Okay, we are here at the Suzuki booth, and we've got on display the Suzuki Katana, recently released right here in the Philippines. And here with us today to talk more about the Suzuki Katana. Can I get your name, sir?
Alan, sir. I am Alan Panlibuton. I'm in charge of the Suzuki Big Bike Sales. So I'm come from Suzuki Philippines. So we're here to display our Katana together with our dealer here in Bacolod, Infinity Ultra Bike. So nandito po yung ating... sir, can I speak in Hiligaynon?
Yes, Hiligaynon, Tagalog, whatever.
Ito Katana for those members of Thunderbox, I think they know about the Katana because Katana is the legendary model of Suzuki way back 1980s. This was launched 1980s, so we're here again. The Suzuki Katana was launched again with a touch of new looks.
Yes, it looks amazing. What's new for this year's model of the Suzuki Katana?
Yeah, what's new for our Katana this year is that it has still maintaining the cutting edge of the Katana design, and then with the touch of modern, may ara na siya LED headlight, LED yung tail lamp.
Yeah.
So
all
may
LED.
po siya ang electronics control, may ara na siyang 3-mode traction control. So the rider can choose 1, 2, 3 traction control. So he got also a Suzuki clutch assist system wherein it cannot be assisted due to, halimbawa, matraffic ka mo, so it cannot, hindi ka
So no stalling.
No stalling, correct.
Alright. President of the Thunderbug. Sir, congratulations. Looks like a very successful event.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank all the riders and all the motorcycle clubs who have joined us in our 58th Masskara Unity Ride.
Awesome. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, Tad, what's happening here, Tad?
Well, we're here right in the direct sunlight, which is bearing with the heat. It's going to be a good Unity Ride.
The club thanks you for your service. Awesome job.
Let's do extra service.
Okay, we're here today at the AUB booth with Miss Dang Alunan, representative from the AUB, Asia United Bank. And why are you here, ma'am, on this Unity Ride? Why?
Hi sir, good morning. I'm Dang of AUB Bacolod. We are here to sponsor the 58th Unity Ride,
Wow.
Visayas Unity Ride. And
Thank you very much.
I'm here also to offer AUB our motorbike loan.
Okay. So you're like providing big loans for big bikes. Is that correct?
Yes sir, we offer motorbike loan.
Okay. How big is big or how small is big?
Sir, minimum engine is, I think it's 350cc.
350cc.
Yes, and all brands.
All brands.
Yes, all brands.
As long as they a minimum of 350cc.
Yes, 350cc.
And as big as you want.
Yes.
Correct.
In fact, sir, our latest, it was just recently launched. We are going to offer Vespa. We are also having a promo. We're
Yeah.
going to accept also Vespa.
Yeah.
I think Vespa is of lower.
Yeah, it's 150cc, some of them,
but
yeah.
it's only until end of December.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want a Vespa, you can't get a loan from a bank because it's too small. But here at AUB, you're giving out.
Our rate is better.
Okay, okay. So you're saying you're lower than other banks.
I guess so.
Confidently, you can
And
say
I
that.
think, yes, I'm very confident. And I think here in Bacolod, I think that all banks are offering motorbike.
Yes,
and
yes.
I think I'm just one of them.
All right, thank you very much, Ms. Dang. Thanks for being here and for supporting the Masskara Unity Ride. Thank you.
So thank you.
We have here Sir Bong Pirdos. The reason why he's in this video because he's got his own club right here of his family members. Who are these people, sir? Sino ba sila?
Mga kapatid ko, bayaw ko, ang mga anak ko.
Wow.
Sila mga biker.
Puro biker.
Oo,
So your whole family nagbabike lahat.
oo, lahat.
Wow.
Yung mga babae, nagbabike ka. Mula nung sa Maynila pa kami, talagang tinuruan ko na sila lahat
Sila bumibili o ikaw yung bumibili?
Ako bumibili. Oo, ako bumibili.
Alright, very good father, sir.
Oo,
Pwede mo
pati
kong
yung-
i-adapt? Pwede magpa-adapt?
Oo,
Morning, gentlemen. Where are you guys from? From Cebu, all the way. Which club? What's that again, sir? Island Riders Cebu. Wow. How many of you in the group? 10 in the group. Wow. Thank you for coming. Welcome to Bacolod. Hello, Carol. You remember Carol? She sold me my Street 750. Hi. What have you brought here today?
This is the FXDR and also the 48.
The 48. Wow. Is this available for test ride?
Yeah, sure. You want to test ride?
No, maybe later.
Yeah, later.
Later. We have here with us Philippines' oldest biker, Mr. Francisco Davan. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Very good. How can you tell my audience how old you are, sir?
I'm 83.
83. Wow. And you've been riding motorcycles since
1950.
since 1950. So that's like 70 years of riding. Wow. And what bike did you bring today?
Today I have a CB400. CB404.
404. Is that your secret to long life, riding bikes?
I think that's one.
What's the other?
I think you already know.
Thank you very much, sir.